So next step right now is gonna be tear the old engine out and transmission. So we're gonna drain the coolant, power steering fluid. I don't know about engine fluid because we're gonna start this thing anyway. Or actually give it back to the rightful owner, but that's a whole nother story. And also transmission, of course, gonna what the hell was that? And then of course also the transmission, we're gonna drain that so we don't get the, you know, the usual triple homicide lookalike flow out here. So let's get to it, ain't nothing to it. Actually, first step I'm gonna do, as I'm thinking about right now, is remove the fenders and inner fenders, because then we can get a lot of access to like get, you know, dig into it, you know? Yeah, whatever. Let it rip! Now guys, big tip right now, because of the whole war thing going on. You want to save on your juices, right? What we're gonna do here is, this car's gonna sit for 2 weeks. Got an electrical fuel pump. So we're gonna gotta get some of that Ukrainian Getter 190 done. Go juice, you feel me? The struggle is real. Use your old vice grip and totally ruin your hose. You're just gonna go in there, ignition on, and it's just gonna pour all over the place. So, yes. Guys, it's time to pull the engine, and it's gonna be interesting because this is a Pontiac engine. As you know, they weigh a whole lot more than a big block or something. I don't know, it's quite insane. And we out here doing it sketchy. We're doing it real sketchy. We're trying to make the engine hoist do a wheelie. So this is the setup right now. The cheapest Harbor Freight engine hoist, 250 kilos. We have around 650 kilos here, and that's what the original beam, by the way. This is a extended unit that we already drilled 2 new holes in, so it could reach even further. So hopefully this hydraulic piston here is gonna hold up or whatever. And then you already know, guys, 1/4 mile 9-second engine hoist already doing wheelies off the ground. And then we got a header poking hole in the oil filter right now. There we go, the goddamn headers, man. I actually think we are completely free now to just lift. But I have no idea how we're gonna move the hoist without the whole thing tipping over. No clue. You guys don't have to worry about it. There you go, trans lines. They did. An idiot, it just, way. Don't like when your engine hoist is doing a wheelie. We're just gonna let this camera roll because we might gonna drop a Pontiac engine today, okay? There you go. I'm gonna go get a Ford FE intake. This should keep it from doing a wheelie. Yeah, would you look at that? I have finally found something to use in Ford FE intake for. Holding your hoist down. Well, let's go, FE manifold. Guys, you don't have to worry about the weight ratings on your engine hoist. Just send her, man. Fucking ATF oil everywhere. Mayday, guys, mayday. And we got radiator support contact. What's up? Oh, that's a nice sound. Okay, here's another idea real quick. If I take the jack now, it's gonna lower the car instead. The engine is just dying to do a 360 right now. Oh yeah. Just hit the hook pin. What the hell was that? I have no idea if the camera caught that, but a spark plug just exploded, man. And now we're gonna lower this thing down on a dolly. Oh, be careful, because this might gonna do a wheelie, huh? Just hit it with your old poking stick. Guys, I think that's pretty perfect right there actually. Just gonna lower it, slow and steady. Watch me drop this thing. Oh, it's doing a wheelie on its own! Man, this engine just wanna do wheelies, huh? Oh! Oh! Sorry, Greta. That sucks.
How dare you?
Well, what are you gonna do about it? Ta-da! Guys, apparently the engine is pissed about us pulling it out. So now it's just pissing all over the floor. So that's nice. Guys, that was perfect. I tried to do a funny outro where the gasket fell down. And for some reason too...
Best chicken bites tonight. $24 per ticket.
Come on, watch chicken. Beat your boy up. I'm gonna whoop some ass out here, that's for sure. Well, here's a pro tip. Maybe drain the oil before flipping the engine 180. Idiot. Well, if I didn't do better, I thought this guy probably ran his engine on the water. So, only thing that's kind of bad, if you will, is the oil pump. It's all gunked up, and also the oil pan, it's quite bad. Let's go do burnout, boys.